Got y'all right here on the 4 hourly, and we only got two options left. Is as y'all can see, the third option we had right here from the previous video, it continued on. It gave us a fake out because as y'all can see, it literally made that drop right there. Faked this out because it went below this line that I said. But as you can see, that candle started right there where that line is at. Like I said, it's all, you know, predetermined. No surprises here on my end. But anyways, as y'all can see, we coming down here and we got the bounce up. Then boom, this is what I was showing y'all when we bounced off the EMAs. As y'all can see, we didn't bounce back off the 100 EMA yet. So we can easily bounce back off the 100 EMA, come back up, get rejected by the 50 or the 20 EMA, right? And continue our way down. Boom. As in, we may not go much farther from where we're at right now, right? That's a possibility. Keep that in mind. But the other possibility, right? We can actually bounce off this 50 from where we're at right now and continue up to the previous level I mentioned before, to around 26,500, 27,000, that general range, right? And I say this, I'll show y'all a little later in a longer time frame so you can understand it more. But anyways, while you're on the 4 hourly chart, right? You see this one attempt right here, and then we got the third attempt, which is right here. So this is the second attempt. So this will be the third attempt after we bounce off this 50 EMA, right? Which means we can very well break through to the next level, which I said is around $26,500, $27,000, right? But even as we get up there, we will get rejected because the overall markets is still in a downtrend. And I already told y'all why. I'm going to show y'all again. So I got y'all right here on the daily now, right? As y'all can see, we should be making that bounce up. We got that one attempt to the high, second attempt, third attempt, like I showed y'all. So we about to actually make that move up. And like I said, this will be a recovery of this candlestick right here. This nice little gap. That's how I know it's going around 26,500 to 27,000. This general range right here. And also you can see right here they recover the candlesticks backwards. But anyways, and you can see the 20 and the 50 is about to cross, so we will get a nice spike up this week. So I mean, this is my belief. I do believe it will come up here, and I'll show you it's in the weekly time frame. It's clear in the weekly time frame. But anyways, as of now, we're on a daily. So anyways, I can see us spiking up here and making a recovery of this candlestick because of the textbook formation, like I already showed y'all before, because there's always been a possibility right here. But either way it goes, we will get rejected and we will make a steep drop all the way down to 14,000. That is our next support level. So y'all keep that in mind. Because also down here, we already got it 3 attempts to the low. So anytime it come back down here, it's going to smash through very quickly. And especially how this week may be going, from what it looked like, it's about to be a crazy week. And they're going to definitely make a steep drop on y'all. But anyways, as y'all can see in the weekly, right? The reason why I gave that range, obviously, because of the recovery of this candlestick, but it's also where the 100 EMA and the 20 EMA is located. So that's textbook style drop. Like I showed y'all before, it's basically we drop below the 100 EMA. You can see where the candlestick even started. So we don't come back up and use that as resistance instead of support. You use these EMAs as for support, but you see it came down here and spiked down. Boom, and use it as support, came back up and made a slow drop. You know what I'm saying? That's what they usually do when you see the spike like that. So you know next time it's coming down, it's smashing down like I told y'all before. And as y'all can see, it smashed all the way down once again with one of the wicks through a whole zone. And y'all can see these red candlesticks. That's why I stopped right there. And I knew it would stop right there. But anyways, as we coming up here for, you know what I'm saying, to get rejected by the 100 EMA or the 20, like I said, it'll be around 26,500, 27,000. We will make the steep drop all the way down, at the very least, to recover these candlesticks to complete this head and shoulder formation right here. Because every time you see a head and shoulder formation, it has to stop where it started. And basically that is at $10,000. Now let me show y'all this right here. See, boom. Bitcoin is doing the exact same thing it has already done before. And this is what I'm expecting. And this is what I'm trying to get y'all to be worried about, because we're going to see a candlestick just like this, because it literally did this before. Recover all these green candlesticks. And that's what it's going to do, is come down and recover these green candlesticks all the way down to the B Pacific, all the way down to $5,300. But I'll just say 55 to keep it simple. But anyways, y'all can see it's going to be the same move. But you see right before it made that drop, right? It went all the way down right before. You see right before the support level, came back down, you know what I'm saying? But hit off these supports. doing the exact same move, and now we're going up, and then we get rejected from the same point we already were. But this time, it dropped and recovered everything within 3 weeks. Over here, it's still taking its time, but you gotta keep in mind that Bitcoin is much higher than what it was down here. That's just a big difference. We talking about right now, you know what I'm saying? It's spiking all the way up to 26, 27,000, but then making a drop at the very least to $10,000. Because honestly, at some point, like I say, we're gonna see a candlestick, and it's gonna come all the way down to $5,300. And when you think about it, just last year, it was almost, $70,000, $80,000. And now you're looking at something that's like $5,300. That's about to destroy everything. And not only crypto, it's going to be all the other markets also will be crashing because they all are doing the exact same thing. And I'm show y'all the monthly now. See, the monthly is a larger pattern, right? This is how I know it's going to come all the way down here because it already did it. Like, you see it on a monthly. Let me go a little larger. And you see this candlestick right here, right? That's what we're going to see. Just like that, all the way down here. But it has to close. You see the close? How the way it came back above here? Even with the spike. And they only did that in order to complete the pattern, to make it valid. So basically what's going to happen is, one of these weeks, we're going all the way down to $5,300, right? But we will close within that same week above $10,000. So it's going to be a week, well, the markets will literally, you might almost say, go to zero, and everything will have a gain of 5,000% type of thing randomly. That's what's going to happen as soon as this happens. But y'all will know the low, and I know the low of a lot of coins. It's simple. If y'all just watch my content, you'll understand it eventually. But yeah. Anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown. Y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.